Guys.
And then we start playing music, and it's like, I don't know. But, all right. Yeah, we got two more. This has been really cool. We got two more. Quick little in and out. We want to give no regrets the night, celebrate, and
Good enough for no regrets.
And 7 songs is our limit. Our physical limit. Alright, I slipped the set again to confirm we have 2 more songs. Alright. This it's funny when we say this. This is an old one.
This one goes back, need help singing this one for the folks in the front that are known it is, so.